Step-by-step guide to configuring device limit restrictions in Microsoft Intune for Windows devices. Introduction: Microsoft Intune allows you to enforce device enrollment limits for users, ensuring only a certain number of devices can be enrolled per user. This is essential for organizations that need to control how many devices each employee can register, reducing potential security risks. Step-by-step tutorial. 1. Open Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Go to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Navigate to Home, Devices, Windows Enrollment. Explanation. This is where you manage Windows devices and configure their enrollment settings within Intune. 2. Create a new device limit restriction. Select Device Limit Restriction under Windows Enrollment. Click Create Restriction and enter a name, such as Device Limit Restriction, HR. Explanation. The device limit restriction is the rule that determines how many devices a user can enroll. Naming it appropriately helps in identifying which departments or groups it applies to. 3. Set the device limit. In the device limit field, enter the maximum number of devices users can enroll, e.g., 5. The range is between 1 and 15 devices. Explanation. This step defines the number of devices each user can register. Setting a lower number helps in better control of the enrolled devices in the organization. 4. Assign the restriction to a group. In the Assignments section, select the user group, such as the HR department, or any relevant group to which the restriction should apply. Explanation. Assigning the restriction to specific groups, departments, or users ensures the rule applies only to the appropriate segment of your organization. 5. Review and create the restriction. Review your settings and click Create to finalize the restriction. Explanation. After reviewing, the restriction will take effect and manage device enrollments based on your configurations. 6. Handling errors during enrollment. If users attempt to enroll more devices than allowed, they may encounter the "Something Went Wrong" screen with an error code, e.g., 801800014, during setup. Explanation. This error indicates that users are attempting to enroll beyond their allowed limit. The restriction ensures only corporate-owned and approved devices are enrolled. By following these steps, you can easily configure device enrollment limits within Microsoft Intune, helping to streamline device management and enforce security across your organization.